Welcome back, travelers. Today we're embarking on a virtual grand tour of Italy. Italy is a land where ancient ruins meet vibrant cities, and every region offers its own unique flavor of la dolce vita. From sun-soaked coastlines to alpine peaks, Italy's wonders are endless. Whether you crave art, history, food, or breathtaking landscapes, there's something here for everyone. I've curated the ultimate guide to the 10 best places to visit in Italy. So, grab your espresso, and let's begin our unforgettable journey. Our adventure begins in Rome, a city that has captivated hearts and minds for millennia. Known as the Eternal City, Rome stands as a testament to human achievement, resilience, and the enduring power of history. Here, history doesn't just exist, it comes alive with every step you take. As you walk the ancient cobblestone streets, you'll find the Colosseum, an iconic amphitheater where gladiators once battled for glory, and the roar of the crowd echoed through the ages. Imagine the spectacle, the drama, the sheer intensity of those moments. Nearby, the Roman Forum's sprawling ruins echo with the voices of senators and citizens who shaped an empire that once dominated the known world. Picture them debating, strategizing, and laying the foundations of Western civilization. And of course, don't miss Vatican City, the heart of the Catholic Church, and home to the magnificent St. Peter's Basilica and the awe-inspiring Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo's frescoes will leave you breathless. The sheer artistry and devotion poured into these masterpieces are truly humbling. But Rome isn't just a museum of the past. It's a vibrant, living city, full of lively piazzas, bustling markets overflowing with fresh produce and local delicacies, and stylish locals who embody the city's unique blend of tradition and modernity. Don't forget to toss a coin in the Trevi Fountain, ensuring your return to this magical city. Climb the iconic Spanish Steps for panoramic views, and wander the charming, narrow lanes of Trastevere, where you can savor authentic Roman cuisine in a cozy trattoria. Every corner you turn reveals a new marvel, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered, seamlessly blending ancient grandeur with the vibrant energy of modern life. Rome is a city to savor slowly, to immerse yourself in, and one visit is never enough. You'll find yourself longing to return again and again. Let its timeless spirit sweep you away, captivating your senses, and leaving an indelible mark on your soul. This is more than just a city. This is where Italy's story, and in many ways, Western civilization's story, truly begins. Next, our journey takes us gliding north to the enchanting city of Venice. From above, witness the intricate network of canals that weave through this unique urban landscape. See the terracotta rooftops clustered together, creating a tapestry of color against the backdrop of the shimmering lagoon. Venice, a city built on water, a testament to human ingenuity, and a place steeped in romance and history. The gentle lapping of water against ancient stone buildings creates a symphony of tranquility. It's a place where love stories unfold against a backdrop of unparalleled beauty. With no cars, only canals serving as its streets, Venice offers a unique and serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. It's a world apart, where the rhythm of life is dictated by the ebb and flow of the tides. To navigate this floating city, take a vaporetto, the local water bus, and experience Venice like a true Venetian. Or, for a more intimate experience, glide along the Grand Canal in a traditional gondola, serenaded by the gentle sounds of the city. As you drift along the waterways, marvel at the stunning view of palaces rising majestically from the water, their facades reflecting centuries of history and architectural grandeur. St. Mark's Square dazzles with its vibrant energy, a gathering place for locals and visitors alike. Step inside St. Mark's Basilica and be mesmerized by its golden mosaics, intricate works of art that shimmer and shine, telling stories of faith and history. Ascend the Campanile, the bell tower, for panoramic views of the city, the lagoon, and the distant Alps. Lose yourself in the maze of narrow alleys and bridges where every corner reveals a new surprise and a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Each turn reveals hidden courtyards, tranquil oases of calm, and artisan shops, where skilled craftsmen create exquisite works of art. Venture to Murano, the island renowned for its glassmaking, and witness the artistry of master glassblowers. Or explore Burano, a charming island famous for its rainbow-hued houses, a photographer's dream, and a feast for the eyes. Venice is best discovered by wandering, letting its magic unfold away from the well-trodden tourist paths, and embracing the unexpected. Savor fresh bread from a local bakery, the aroma filling the air with warmth and inviting you to indulge in the simple pleasures of life. Watch artisans at work, preserving ancient traditions and creating unique treasures that reflect the spirit of Venice, and soak in the city's timeless beauty, a captivating blend of history, art, and romance that will leave you spellbound. The lagoon's islands offer a quieter, more colorful escape, each with its own unique charm and character, waiting to be explored. Venice is a living masterpiece. Let yourself drift and dream amidst its enchanting canals and captivating atmosphere. There's truly nowhere else like it in the world. Venice is a unique and unforgettable destination that will capture your heart and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Now to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance. Marvel at the Duomo's iconic dome, then climb to the top for sweeping city views. Art lovers, rejoice the Uffizi Gallery houses masterpieces like Botticelli's Venus and Michelangelo's David. Cross the Ponte Vecchio, lined with glittering jewelry shops, and explore the artisan-rich Oltrarno district. For sunset, head to Piazzale Michelangelo for a golden panorama over Florence. This city is an open-air museum where every street breathes art and history. Florence will inspire and enchant you at every turn. Milan awaits, a city of style, a global hub where fashion, art, and culture converge. It's a place where the past and the future dance together in perfect harmony. Prepare to be captivated by its unique charm, innovation, and energy. Milan is a powerhouse of creativity, constantly pushing boundaries and setting trends that resonate worldwide. From groundbreaking designs to cutting-edge technology, the city pulsates with a forward-thinking spirit. Stand in awe before the Duomo di Milano, a magnificent architectural masterpiece that dominates the city's skyline. Its intricate facade and soaring spires are a testament to human ingenuity and artistic vision. Then stroll its rooftop for city vistas. From this vantage point, you'll be treated to breathtaking panoramic views of Milan, a sprawling metropolis that stretches as far as the eye can see. Next door, the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II dazzles, a stunning architectural marvel with its soaring glass ceiling and intricate mosaic floors. It's a place where elegance and grandeur meet. With luxury boutiques and historic cafes, indulge in some retail therapy at the world's most prestigious fashion houses, or savor a delicious espresso at a charming cafe steeped in history. Don't miss Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper, a true masterpiece of Renaissance art housed in the Santa Maria del Grazie convent. Book ahead for this iconic masterpiece. This world-renowned fresco is a must-see for any art enthusiast, offering a glimpse into the genius of one of history's greatest minds. Explore the bohemian Brera district, a charming neighborhood known for its artistic vibe and vibrant atmosphere. And the lively Navigli canals, a network of waterways that once served as Milan's bustling port. Perfect for evening aperitivo. Enjoy a refreshing drink and delicious snacks as you soak in the lively atmosphere of this picturesque district. Milan fuses history with cutting-edge design, seamlessly blending its rich heritage with modern innovation, making it a must for art and fashion lovers. The city is a treasure trove of artistic expression, from world-class museums to independent galleries showcasing the latest trends. Here, every street feels like a runway. Milan is a city where style is not just a statement, but a way of life. Experience the city's dynamic pulse and timeless elegance. Milan is a city that will captivate your senses and leave you wanting more. Milan is Italy's modern heart, a vibrant metropolis that seamlessly blends its rich history with a forward-thinking spirit. It's a city that truly has something for everyone. Next, we escape to the Amalfi coast, a dreamscape of cliffs, turquoise sea, and pastel villages. Positano's colorful houses cascade down to the beach, while Amalfi's Grand Cathedral dominates its lively piazza. Ravello, perched high above, offers tranquil gardens and breathtaking views. Savor fresh seafood and the region's famous lemons. Don't miss a glass of limoncello. Take a boat tour for hidden coves and a new perspective on the coastline's beauty. The Amalfi coast is pure romance and relaxation. Every vista is postcard perfect. It's the essence of La Dolce Vita. On to Cinque Terre, 5 cliffside villages along the Ligurian Sea. Each has its own charm. Monterosso's beaches, Vernazza's harbor, Corniglia's hilltop views, Manarola's iconic sunset, and Rio Maggiore's vibrant streets. Hike the scenic Blue Trail or hop the local train to explore them all. Life here moves slowly. Enjoy gelato in a sunny piazza, sip local white wine and savor fresh pesto. Cars are rare, preserving the peaceful, authentic vibe. The dramatic scenery and colorful houses make Cinque Terre unforgettable. It's a place to unwind and soak in simple pleasures. the magic of the Italian Riviera awaits. Now to Naples, a city bursting with energy, history, and flavor. It's the gateway to Pompeii, where ancient streets frozen by Vesuvius reveal Roman life in vivid detail. Naples' historic center is a maze of narrow lanes, vibrant markets, and stunning churches. Don't leave without tasting authentic Neapolitan pizza, the original and arguably the best. The city's archaeological museum is a treasure trove of Greco-Roman artifacts. Naples is gritty, passionate, and unforgettable. Here, you don't just see the city, you feel it. It's southern Italy at its most authentic. Sicily beckons, an island shaped by Greeks, Romans, Arabs, and more. Explore the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento and the ancient theater in Taormina, with Mount Etna looming nearby. Adventurers can ascend Etna for volcanic vistas and sample wines from its fertile slopes. Palermo's lively markets and golden mosaics and Syracuse's enchanting ortigia showcase Sicily's vibrant cities. Savor arancini, pasta alla norma, and cannoli. Sicilian cuisine is a delicious blend of cultures. From ancient ruins to pristine beaches, Sicily is endlessly rewarding. Its landscapes and flavors are unforgettable. Discover the island's rich, diverse soul. We head north to Lake Como, where alpine peaks meet deep blue waters. Take a ferry between Bellagio, Verona, and Menaggio. Each town offers its own charm and stunning views. Bellagio's cobbled lanes and lakeside cafes invite you to linger, while Verona's Lover's Walk is pure romance. Explore lush villa gardens or hike for panoramic vistas. Lake Como is about slowing down and soaking in the scenery. It's a haven of elegance and tranquility. Whether you're boating, dining, or simply relaxing by the shore, the beauty is unmatched. This is lakeside luxury at its finest. Our final stop is Verona, the city of Romeo and Juliet. Visit Juliet's house in the famous balcony, then wander the city's medieval lanes and lively squares. The Verona Arena, older than Rome's Colosseum, hosts magical summer opera under the stars. Piazza delle Erbe buzzes with markets and cafes, while Piazza dei Signori exudes stately charm. Climb Torre dei Lamberti or walk to Castel San Pietro for sweeping city views. Verona blends ancient history, romance, and vibrant culture. It's a city to fall in love with again and again, the perfect finale to our Italian adventure. And that's our whirlwind tour of Italy's 10 best destinations. Each place offers a unique window into Italy's soul. History, art, food, and unforgettable beauty. I hope you're inspired to plan your own Italian journey. Share your favorite Italian memories or dream destinations in the comments below. If you enjoyed this guide, subscribe, and join me for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and ciao for now.